Hi friends, let's deep to the smart accounts. So in previous articles we already explored how to set up the environment, how to work with wallets, etc. So right now I prepare the empty file, the skeleton for the accounts. It's just the empty meta test and import everything we need and initialize the Web3, L2 provider and register the plugin as usual. And let's start it. First, let's create the smart account instance. For this, we will go to the same namespace in the Web3, new Web3 ZKsync smart account, and we need to pass here address and private and secret. So let's get it from our main wallet. Address, private key. Okay, and let's try to get balances. Smart account usually works with one layer only, so it works with layer 2. So we have the method get address to get current address. Also we have a method get balance to get balance of the Ethereum on this account, and also get method of the token, any ERC20 token. Okay, let's run it. And here we receive the address, add balance, and ERC20 balance. The next thing is withdrawal. It's the same as a wallet, but the main difference is you can't call the finalize withdrawal, because finalize withdrawal call it in layer 1 and smart accounts working on only layer 2. So you can run withdrawal and then you can use another API to finalize the transaction. So that's why you don't need to wait for finalize. We need just to wait and receive the receipt 1 and receipt 2. Okay, let's try to run it. First receipt, second receipt. Okay, we have 2 receipts for withdrawals. This is how to withdraw Ethereum or token using smart account. The next thing is transferring. This is also work the same as wallet work. So we create random recipient and transfer is 1 Ethereum to the recipient address. Let's add the balance of the recipient before. Wait, get balance, and after the transfer, and also balance recipient of the ERC20 token before and after. Let's run it. Balance before 0, then 1 Ethereum. Balance token before 0, after 1 Ethereum. Not Ethereum, but I mean 1 and 18 zeros. Let's go to the next part. It is populate it, sign it, and send the transaction. It works the same like in provider. We need the recipient. So populate, sign, we receive signature here, then send, we receive transaction, and wait for transaction receipt, and we can cancel log the receipt. Hash and receipt. Yeah. This was the basic functionality for the smart accounts, but we can extend it using the Paymaster. And we will talk about Paymaster in the next video.